What's up, everybody? It's your boy Deonte Burden, aka Mr. Short Dollar himself. Tonight, I'm coming to you guys with a quick live feed, just breaking pretty much a financial update. I made a couple shorts early in the week in regards to different changes that the IRS have had for this upcoming tax year 2023. But with the shorts, I want to do a main feed. I've been knee deep with. I did a feed early on changing lives and stuff, so I want to give you guys a quick update. Again, I am Deonte Burden, aka Mr. Short Dollar himself. Right now, we're streaming live on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. The main hub is the Mr. Short Dollar YouTube channel, where we have over 500 videos on the YouTube channel right now. So take advantage of all the great opportunity covering business management, business finance, and business operations. But what I want to have with you guys tonight is a quick live feed. I've been boogering up, trying to get everything done. Got some great news for you guys. We did the first, the first feed from Mr. Changing Lives on Twitter today. Not Twitter, on TikTok. Sounds cool to get that going, man. That was something I was real proud of. Let me see if I can get this out there. Share the screen with you guys. And I want to go through each one of these and with our actual live feed tonight. Okay, guys, let me get this going. Yeah. Booyah. Okay, the first one is we're going to talk about grandparents and other relatives being eligible to qualify for 2001 child tax credit. In essence, what they're saying is that you had a lot of individuals. The IRS is encouraging people, if you did raise somebody and someone is your dependent. So guy said I look like some guy from Ohio called Don Polo. I appreciate it. I hope Don Polo is a smooth brother. I appreciate it. I appreciate everybody tuning in. But in essence, the IRS is sending an update, well, encouraging people rather, that if you are other relatives that being foster parents, aunts, uncles, grandparents that did raise, had that dependent, make sure when you file your tax also to be looking for the child tax credit. If there was no child tax credit, apply for that particular dependent, take advantage of it. Okay, the actual money was allocated. Okay, and again, I'm not saying just go out there and claim somebody's child, and you're not supposed to. I'm not saying that, but I'm saying if you had some relationship where you were raising a child, you aren't the direct parent, like I said again, foster parent, grandparent, aunt, uncle that you raised it. The IRS is encouraging you to reach out to them and take advantage of the child tax credit because the money was already allotted, especially with the child tax credit and also the stimulus payments that have been received for that particular individual. So they're encouraging you to do that. Make sure you check out the videos on Mr. Short Dollar again that we had, the short I had with the article. We're looking to do it because part of the American Rescue Plan, you have the expansion. But the child tax credit went to $3,600. Okay, that's for children under 6 and for children over 6, respectively. So again, if the dependents weren't claimed, and you had a relationship with raising them, i.e., foster parent, grandparent, or relative were doing that, file the tax to get them get that done. To take advantage of it. Okay. The second thing I want to go with you guys. Let me see. Change this tab. Let me see if we can get this going back on here. This next tab. Yeah. See, right here we have some of the adjustments the IRS provide, tax inflation adjustments. We do know with the Inflation Reduction Act, we did a video on that on Mr. Short Dollar, with a lot of changes that the government imposed in regards to the inflation, the hyperinflation, the price increases was going on. We know the government, with part of the Inflation Reduction Act, a lot of changes will occur. So I want to make sure that we go over a couple of these, guys, for 2023, things to be new. You have the different tax brackets. And if you go to the video on Mr. Short Dollar, in regards to inflation adjustments and things like that, I have the links to all these different tabs for you guys to look at. But I did want to go over some of these things tonight with you guys in regards to them. It's going to be high change to the revenue procedure. The tax rates are going to be changing. The percentage amounts that's going up for each one. Guys, if you're looking at us on Instagram and on TikTok, you don't have the screen. I'm not able to do the screen share with you guys, but I will. I'm glad you tuned in, but I will encourage you to go to Mr. Short Dollar on YouTube. That's where you'll be able to see the screen share with everything that I'm providing, right? You'll see some of the adjustments that were made with the indexes and stuff. Even saying, just going over different income levels that will change. So again, you actually won't be as impacted as much with the increase of the inflation increases that happen. The IRS have made those adjustments. So make sure, I will encourage you guys to go there and make sure you check out the information that's on here in regards to the actual adjustments that IRS made in regards to the Inflation Reduction Act. Okay. Let's see this next one. And let me see where I can get this next one. That was here. Let me see. And 1 second, I'm going to pop this up here. And it's right here. And guys, what we're talking about here is just the 401k limits will increase from 22,000 to up to 22,500 in 2023, and the Roth limits will increase to $6,500. I can tell you time and time again how many people reach out to us, just say that have made X amount of dollars and they're looking at, reducing their taxable income and, trying to figure out ways. Hey, man, listen, the IRS dropping this bill on me. I'm owing, all this amount of money in taxes. What can I do, D? I need some help. This is one of the first things you start off with, okay? Because we all not going to be young forever. I would encourage anyone, if you have not been taking advantage of your 401k or any kind of plan that you may have in regards to that, to make sure that you're going and trying to get some things straight here. I'm sorry. Make sure that you're taking advantage of different programs that you can have to reduce your taxable income. So again, with the increase of the 401k limits of $22,500 and $6,500 for your IRA, make sure, guys, you look into that to take advantage of that. Because like I said, I get calls all the time. Hey, D, you have any ways we can reduce it? Man, listen, that's a perfect example where I would start at, okay? And let's see. Feel free, guys. You got any questions, anything like that you want to add? Ask about everything. Let me see. Get this together. And then go on my last page with you guys. Let me see. Get in here. Let me see 1 second. All right, guys. This is my last video I want to show, last screen I want to share with you guys. Great information. The IRS has sent out letters to over 9 million potentially eligible families who did not claim stimulus payments, earned income child tax credit, other benefits. And also that free file system is open until November 17th. Look, guys, again, I know there's a lot of people that potentially didn't get an opportunity to take care of you. You're busy, didn't know how to do it. You didn't have access to information. You thought things happened, but it didn't happen in regards to filing a certain way or didn't do it. The IRS is going to be sending information out to you guys, sending letters. It's not a scam. And guys, listen, just for me giving this information, if you are not sure if you received any kind of scam or spam email from the IRS, guys, the only thing you need to do is just go to irs.gov or give them a call. just to verify the letter that you received. Okay, if you feel like, hey, this is just some kind of scam stuff, but the stuff I'm showing you is directly from the IRS website. Okay, that's why I'm doing the screen shares. You actually can go back and Google and look at it, but also feel free to call to do it, because if you're not for sure if something is legitimate or not, please don't file that information. Please don't take phone calls or anything like that. Somebody telling their IRS agent and all this other kind of stuff. Call and verify, okay? All right. We're in a world of hyper cyber crimes. I'm about to book it up. But guys, it's late at night, but I want to talk with you guys. But even though you have to be very, very protective of your personal information, you get one of these letters from the IRS again stating that potentially you missed on any particular credits, get IRS a call if you're not for sure what it is, okay? But definitely take advantage of it, okay? Listen, guys, I'm going to wrap it up. Just want to do a quick live feed. I do want to remind you guys, we almost at 25,000 subscribers for Mr. Short Dollar on YouTube. So if you do run across anyone that has not heard about us or subscribe to the channel, make sure you spread the word for it, okay? Tomorrow night at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, be on my other YouTube channel, Change the Lives, hosted by yours truly, Deonte Burden. We'll have a great show tomorrow. I want you guys, make sure you tune in. It's going to be discussing pretty much, burnout. Recognize if you have burnout, be it personally, professionally, relationship-wise, family, however it is. And use some ways to kind of cope and deal with burnout as well, okay? So make sure you tune in my other YouTube channel, Change Your Lives, hosted by yours truly, Deonte Burden, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Check out that website, that YouTube channel as well. Look out for the blue man. But again, I'm Mr. Short Dollar. We almost at 25,000 subscribers on YouTube. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Love you much. Be safe. Talk with you soon. Mm-mm.